Hi guys, today this video, ayan, gagawa tayo ng sharing. Ayan guys, di ba, nakita nyo naman yung sharing. Ayan siya yung sadal natin. Ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. Pag may sharing tayo, ayan, ganyan. Di ba maganda? So, ganyan ang magiging kinalabasan natin guys pag may sharing po tayo, no? So, ganyan. So, let's go. We're gonna use the sharing. So, itong sharing natin guys, may gagamitin tayong sharing pot. Ito na siya nakalagay. Ganyan ang hitsura niya. Yung sharing pot. Nakikita nyo, di ba? So, yan. Tinanggal ko kanina sa dahil 116. So, sharing pot naman ang gagamitin natin today. And then, ang diskarte po niyan, guys. Kasi maliit masyado yung doll clothes. We are small waistline for the doll clothes. Mostly, I'm using only the doll clothes size this waistband. This waistline is only 5 inches, including the fold in the back. So now guys, we try to make a sharing for this skirt. So guys, don't forget to use the elastic thread in your bobbin case under. Okay, so that is my technique.
Knock first and then motion. Yan lang siya guys, di ba no? So easy. Yan, very easy. And then next. You can use sharing like this any type design you want. You can use also like this in pillows and a skirt. Your big skirt is not only for the doll. So if you want like sherry nice and close, you can use this sharing foot and elastic thread under. That is my technique because I'm not really expert. I'm not a teacher. I just only having experience for almost 15 years on my experience in sewing. So that is my experience. So this one is my technique. So this is how to sharing adult clothes. Alright? Thank you so much for watching.